Side Storm Team.
Had some periods of moderate to heavy rain across the area throughout the day today. Now that batch is shifting eastward, so a little less coverage now. But until the cold front moves through around midnight tonight, we'll still hold on to an opportunity of a random shower or two. But pretty quiet, at least relatively speaking, compared to where it was. Steadier rain over into Cott County and Greene County, right on the border there, up 81 and 40, kind of right in between there and going into western North Carolina. Also a little bit left over up into Harlan County, Kentucky. So from where we are right now, 7 o'clock, I'll stop it. That's the cold front that'll be sweeping through a little later tonight. That's about midnight. After that, I'd say most of the rain opportunities will be done, with the exception of maybe a patchy area of drizzle, certainly possible overnight, and a lot of cloud cover as well. But temperatures are going to be mild overnight, only in the low to mid 50s for most areas. That's above the average high for this time of year. All right, take a look at the precipitation chances for tomorrow. It's a slim chance, especially Knoxville eastward and mainly the first part of the day. So I think for the most part, we're going to end up with a relatively dry day on Friday, but that's not the case on Saturday. Rain opportunities go up pretty quickly across the region. In fact, there's an elevated risk for some flooding in some spots. We'll just basically say along and south of the I-40 corridor, but I would just be on guard for almost anybody as this storm system moves through. Let's take a look. This is 7 o'clock Saturday morning, maybe briefly starting out on a dry note, but I don't think that'll last very long. Rain quickly moves in late morning through early afternoon. This is 4 o'clock. That front lifts right over the top of us, so some lingering showers even through the evening hours. This is 11 o'clock. Then as it moves by, counterclockwise winds brings in that colder air behind it. Temperatures will drop through the day on Sunday. It's squeezing out moisture along the plateau into the Smokies. And guess what happens? Yeah, light wintry mix expected as we go through the day on Sunday. Pretty good opportunity for some accumulating snows in the Smokies, and kind of an early guesstimate here, about 2 to 3 inches above 3,000, 4,000 feet. The way it's looking, 1 to 2 just across about 2,500 feet in elevation. I'd say Gatlinburg in itself, you're probably closer to that dusting to less than an inch, as are areas of the plateau into Kentucky as well. So not really a big snowmaker, especially compared to what we just had, but a reminder that yes, it's still winter. So for tomorrow, limited rain chances, mild, 65 in La Follette, 60 degrees in Crossville. Southeast Kentucky, if you have any rain opportunity, it's early in the day. Otherwise, mainly cloudy, 61 in Barberville, 58 in Williamsburg, and 60 in Middlesboro. And our rain chances here are really before we're talking midday here in the valley. Otherwise, 63 in Knoxville, 65 in Sevierville, 64 pretty popular from Maryville to Kingston, Madisonville, and Athens. And not a bad day in the Smokies. There will be some lingering showers and cloud cover here. The temperatures aren't bad. 58 at Chimney Tops, Newport, you're 65, and it's 65 in Pigeon Forge as well. 7-day forecast, roller coaster for sure. 63 tomorrow. Again, limited rain chances, mainly early and east. Decent opportunity of showers and storms on Saturday. I think easily we could be talking some 1 to 2 inch rain totals with that as it moves through. Then breezy and colder on Sunday. That 49's early in the day, and then temperatures are falling as we go through the rest of the afternoon. And then into next week, we've got temperatures falling off into the 30s. Hey, stay with us. We'll be right back after the break.